if someone's listening and they've got a problem, what do they do?
So there are members of the ISHRS, the International Society of Hair Restoration, all over the country and all over the world. The best thing would probably be is to go onto the website and to Google on there who in your area is a member of ISHRS. That would be a really great start, because then you know that they're actually individuals who really care about the safety and success of hair restoration. And probably if you're, there's one everywhere, you'll find one locally, and that would be a great place to go. We would be happy to see anyone who feels that they're having an issue or they don't know what to do or whatnot. I'm also always open to, I have people all over the country say, hey, I can't get to you, but I was thinking about going to blank. And I have no problem being contacted and to make sure that, I can look them up for you and vet them for you and help you, figure out if they're the right person. The last thing I wanted to mention is this idea of cost. So I don't think it should come as a surprise that if you go to a country that has a lower cost of living, whether it's a third world country or a country that's just different than the regulations that you see in the United States, it's going to be cheaper. Cheaper does not mean that they still follow the same regulations and the important things that we follow in the United States. So unfortunately, you do in many ways get what you pay for. And when it comes to your body and an operation, you should never be taking that lightly. It is not something that you want to cheapen on, but it is very commonly the reason why people will travel. And I can't stress enough that if you have a complication, not only could it be a detriment to your health and safety, but you very often will end up spending more money than you would have if you had just gone to somebody safe locally in the first place.
Yep. And it really does, you can see an impact in the grafts. And how
Yeah, absolutely.
So if
it's unfortunate.
Grafts, you're going to have spots that have nothing potentially.
We're just seeing it more and more, and social media has opened up, the marketing for places to market to you like crazy. Things that they would have never been able to market before, they now have an avenue to do it. And because of it, all of us are seeing more and more and more complications from it. And there's no way to regulate that. It's not in the United States. So the United States can't do anything about the places that you've traveled to. You've traveled to another country. So but once you do that, all bets are off for someone protecting you. As far as, when you're in the United States, there's some protection. If you go to a place that is not legitimate, is illegal, you have some protection in the United States to a certain extent. It's tough. It's still tough sometimes, but you go out of the country and all bets are off. So just protect yourselves, everybody. And we're really passionate about it. So if anyone has any questions about this, as you're deciding on who should, be treating you, please feel free. We're here for you. We're here to answer your questions and help you and guide you to have a successful surgery.